How to create the easiest floating effect on CapCut. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create easiest floating effect on CapCut. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta open CapCut and then you gotta head over, click on new video and simply import a background. Let's say I have added a black background. Next thing that you need to do is simply head over and add overlay of any grid kind of thingy. So I'm going to click on overlay and add one. So I added this grid, and what I got to do is I'll make the transparency a bit less. So I've made the grid a bit lighter, and next you got to click on add overlay once again and import the picture of the PNG. You can download picture of PNG from Google, and next you got to click on animations and you got to search for slide up. This is the one that you need. Click on it and now you'll be able to see this sliding up. So you can simply adjust the timing like this. And after that, you gotta simply go back and then you gotta click on effects next. So click on effects and here you gotta search for the effect within video effects. Search for pendulum. Simply click on pendulum and here we'll be able to see different pendulum options. Click on pendulum play and here's the one that you need, play pendulum. Click on it. Next, you're going to click on object and then you're going to click on overlay. And now you'll be able to see this object having the pendulum effect like this. You can see it is floating. So next, you can also adjust it according to your own choice. So as you can click on adjust over here and you can simply adjust the sharpness, the twist, the intensity. You can do it according to your own choice. So let's just make the intensity a bit more. You can go back and play this video. Let's just play it and see the result. So that is basically how you can create the easiest floating effect on CapCut. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.